She back with another mother video. She back with another mother video. It's Eerie Bee, with another Eerie Bee. It's Eerie Bee, another Eerie Bee. It's Eerie Bee, she back with another mother video.
What's up, hun buns? It is your girl Eerie Bee, and I'm back. Like, it's like been a long time, but I'm here with my good friend Carly. Look, I'm going to put it right here. Is what we're going to be recreating. So let's get into it. Bro.
First things first, I need to do my eyebrows. So, oh wait,
I'll do my brows first too. Working with my pencil. This ain't even really a brow pencil. This I think is a lip liner. I just happen to use it as a lip liner and a brow pencil. But nothing wrong with that. It still work all the same.
I used to use liquid lipstick.
You said, did I quote, it's all the same. She's so concentrated.
Because it's always something. It's always something. It can never do what I want it to do. Ever.
You gotta talk to him, that's what. Talk to your brows, bro.
And what you be saying?
Be here. I know you not done, but we gonna fake a done, okay? Because I already don't got none. I feel like if I go, they gonna take them all off, and then I'm gonna be bald-headed. Not bald-headed, but bald-faced. Shit. My brows, I'm just using a pencil that I don't know where it came from. The name is literally scratched off, but I know it's from the drugstore. And I use my MAC NW45 Studio Finish Concealer to carve out my brows. From MAC, like I think I already said that, but yeah, it's from MAC. That's what I'm using on my brows. With my Wet n Wild little brush.
So I'm using Anastasia. It's not Beverly Hills and color Ebony. It's not gonna focus. It's fine. Whatever this was, somebody left it on the floor and outside the mire, and it was never open. So.
You finesse dropped makeup. I know they was pissed. They probably followed their footsteps back and was like, what the hell, somebody stole?
And it just wasn't there.
You a thief. I knew you out here thieving. That's why all your stuff is name brand.
Oh.
What? Was that English?
No, but I'm still learning too.
Yeah.
We gonna figure it out.
But it's okay. Your brows do not have to be twins. Just as long as they somewhat similar. So as long as your brows is cousins, it's okay.
Distant cousins. They're best friends.
Yeah, let's do that one. Yeah.
Lids, I do e.l.f. primer. This is a primer and a eyeliner sealer.
Just prime my lids with that concealer I used to color my eyebrows. Oh yeah, how y'all like my new intro? If y'all notice, my intro is definitely getting better because I don't know what last year's intro was, because it wasn't lit, but this intro represents my personality all in one.
We're using a dupe eyeshadow palette. Look at this. I know it looks familiar.
Who's there? Dupe?
You know who it is. Her name was Jacqueline Hill.
Oh, that's a Jacqueline Hill dupe. You feel is a bit duper and all.
It's alright. You know, it was off Amazon for like $10 and hers was like 30, so.
My beauty blender, it's gone.
My booty blender.
My booty blender. The camera number. Where'd you go? I miss you so. The color I'm gonna start with right here as my transition color, because I think that's about the color she used for her transition color in the picture. FYI, if you see us squinting a lot, we both blonde without our glasses, and I didn't feel like putting my contacts in today. You might beat me, bro. Ain't that great at
Beat I'm gonna pull an illusion because of the hope and pray the end result looks something like this.
Bro, I didn't think it was gonna be that tricky. In my mind,
It looked easy.
yeah. But then when you look at it,
There's a multitude
it's
of colors.
so many colors. You got this, bro.
Do we though?
Yes. Believe in yourself. If you want it, you got it. There you go. I gave you some J Hood from the Weight Watchers commercial. I wanna go paintballing. Shoot some guns.
Like the closest paintballing place is where?
Out east. That's the only one I know about. There might be one over here, but the only one I know about is out east. It's like a 30-minute drive. Or maybe 25. Depends on who's driving.
How fast are you driving?
Sorry.
Dang. I'm way off.
So when I went back to Amazon, this looked about discontinued. But yeah, I forgot to tell y'all. I'm using Avon's Makeup Artist palette. It's a pretty cool palette. The shades is not that pigmented. You have to build on top of building on top of building in order to get it to look like something.
Hold on the foundation real quick. I need to pray for these eyes right quick. I'm using No Pore Blum Primer. Got it off Amazon. It's from some company in Korea. Booty blender. Oh right. Elf foundation. In the color Ebony. A booty blender. I got 6 of these from the Beauty Bakery website for $18.
Everything's just dying on my side.
You're at home. Plug your phone up.
I need it to see. Okay. Okay. What she say? It's like a pigeon.
Cold pigeon.
I guess when they say it beat your face, you took it legit to beat your face.
To go to the bakery with brown. It's once again by Beauty Bakery.
What's the 10?
Yeah, I told you this. Oh.
It shows you how much I listen. Cause I don't remember that. I'm sorry.
Why would you say that? You know how I feel. You know, blah blah blah.
Okay, I'm gonna need you to bring your extraness down a couple of notches. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, I'm taking my Anastasia Subculture palette and I'm going to use the color Adorn, which is this color right here. It's like a bronzy, goldy color.
Your joke.
Okay, I'm scared, but go ahead.
What do you feed a disappearing cat? What do you feed a disappearing cat?
I don't know what.
Evaporated milk. I think that's what the popsicle said.
You're fired.
Okay, you wanna hear another joke?
If it's as corny as that last one.
What color are hamburgers? Burgundy.
You feel proud about that one?
That was funny.
You feel proud about that one?
That's a good one. Oh, I got another one. You ready?
Sure.
Where do hamburgers go to dance? At the meatball. Oh, the meatball.
Carlin, I'm done with you. You're fired.
That was great. That was great.
I'm glad you enjoyed your jokes. Guys, that was Carlin. the jokester.
Over here.
Use my Maybelline Fit Me in 368, which is deep golden. Use my foundation brush from Real Techniques.
Well, you know, they call me Tropicana because I got juice. I saw a clip of that Martin episode.
Okay, so didn't know that my camera stopped recording until like we were done, but for the most part we're done. Really didn't do much. She put orange on her lips. I left my lips naked because this picture is really focusing on brown.
Don't forget my highlight. My highlight. I just used
so
that
I'm gonna
eyeshadow.
reinsert the picture right here so y'all can remember what look we were trying to redo. But yeah, this is the final looks of us trying to recreate that Pinterest random look that we had found online. We look crazy, don't we?
Yeah.
I know we do. But I mean, at least we can say we tried. We tried.
We did our biggity best. Give it a good old college try.
Down below, say who y'all think did the best. Do you think she did? Which I think she did because she did a full face. Me, I just did the eyes and brows. That's it. But anyways, I'm gonna leave our social media information down below.
Follow me.
Follow us on all of our social media platforms. You heard me. Gang, 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 gang. Don't judge me. I'm random. I'm weird. But anyway, if you ain't subscribed and you're not my hun bun, hit that subscribe button so you can become my hun bun. Like, I like getting hun buns. I love my hun buns.
Is that what you call them? Hun buns?
Yes.
I want some honey buns. Hun buns. Hun buns.
Anyway, make sure y'all leave y'all comments of saying who did the best. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure y'all like this video. Make sure y'all share this video if you want your friends to have a laugh. But anyways,
Like, subscribe, hit the notification.
anyways,